Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is Thursday, June the 4th. The time is 4:30 a.m. GMT. So for today, we will be looking at the chart of the euro dollars, right? Very interesting. US dollar has been kind of sideways for since pretty much since couple of years ago, like 1 or 2 years has been sideways overall. All right, here in the 45-minute chart here, we can see the pair is moving higher, right? The rally in the structure looks to be impulsive. 1 2 3 4 5 ended with 3 here, and this is our wave 2, and now looking for wave 4 pullback to correct this wave 3. Now typically wave 4 is going to be around 23.6, 38.2 retracement. So this is approximately in the area where we can find support again, okay, in the euro dollars, and then extend higher again. All right, from 111 and 111.60. So still looking for more upside here in the euro dollars, at least one more leg to the upside. Now zooming out is more interesting. Okay, zooming out, if we take a look at the 4-hour chart now we can see here from the March 23rd, we've been sort of doing what looks to be 3 swings up here. So we got this 1, 2, and then now 3, and then again this one looks quite impulsive right now. And there are 2 different possibilities here. Now if this is an ABC, then technically we already reached the 100% right now, right? We already reached the 100%. So the minimum is already sort of reached over there if we look at it from, you know, the extension from this low. Now however, this structure here is a little bit very tricky here. This structure is tricky in my opinion, and there is also a possibility right here that, because okay, let's take a look at the weekly also. Now if you take a look at the weekly here, this from 2018 here, all right, we got what looks to be lower low, all right, but we have not broken below this 2017 low just yet, and it is important for the euro dollars to hold below this trend line on the way up. Okay, it is important for euro dollars to hold below that trend line on the way up. Now if we do get a break and close above it, that tells us this cycle is over potentially, and then we can do a bigger bounce, bigger rally to correct this entire cycle. Now if you take a look at the euro yen, that's exactly what happened. Now euro yen is somewhat also correlated with the euro dollars, right? Now take a look at the euro yen. You notice from the 2018, this pair here also has the same what looks to be a lower low like this, same as the euro dollars, and then you notice here it already broke above it and almost breaking above that previous peak here, in fact, right? This is an equivalent of the euro dollars at this peak right here. So euro yen already took this out in the March 16. Euro dollars has not. Now the euro yen is seeing that the rally looks to be quite impulsive from the lows. So this could be a flat from here, and then it can, you know, fail and then still extend lower. Well, that's a possibility, but the fact that it broke above this trend line is telling us this is likely to have a little bit, I mean, this is likely to have more upside, right? Because it break and this cycle is over. So we do need to be careful as a result with the euro dollars, because if it is also following the path of the euro yen, okay, then that means back to the 4-hour chart, this entire rally from March, it can become some sort of 5 waves. You know, you can call this 1 2, and then perhaps we are actually nesting, and then 1 2 again, and then this is 1 2 3, and then before you know it, we are actually in the wave 3 of 3 of 3, right? So this is 1 2, let's say 3 4 5 like this, and then it will end with 3 from this degree, and then keep going up like this if this becomes E5 waves, right? So again, if we are looking at it from March and then assuming the minimum conservative target ABC equal like, then yeah, we already hit the 100%. But there is a possibility that this is actually not just an ABC, it could also become a 5 waves. Now regardless, those are the longer term consideration. Now what is the short term? Well, the short term is simple. As long as the dips stay above this 1.087, all right, we do like to continue to see for the upside in the euro dollars. So this area approximately is going to be in the support area here from the euro dollars for the upside. Okay, so that's the update for today in the euro dollars. Please do like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy it, and as always, feel free to try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video, and until then, see you again next time. Have a nice day to everyone.